What's up, guys? Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple, delicious chopped cheese sandwich. I used to get this sandwich all the time when I lived in New Jersey, and so I decided to show you guys how I make it today. So first I'm going to sear off my burger patties just like this. And you want to get a nice deep golden color on each side, because then once you chop it up, it'll be nice and browned and, you know, a little crisp on the edges. So make sure you get a nice deep golden color on each side. So all I'm going to season this up with is just salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Clearly you can season this however you want to, but in the deli stores, all they put is salt and pepper. I don't even think they put garlic powder, child. But you know, we put garlic powder on everything, so that's pretty much how I'm going to season it. And you want this color right here. You see how it's nice and golden. You could even go darker than this because we are going to chop this up, hence why it's called chopped cheese. Alright, so now I'm going to add the onions over to the side, and what the onions are going to do is, like, their juice is going to get right down into the patties. And once you cook that up a bit, you're going to season it up just with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, just like we did the patties on both sides. And once you get it nice and cooked up a bit, we're going to start chopping. So you want to start breaking up your burger patties just like this and incorporating the onions as you do that. And this just adds tons and tons of flavor. You wouldn't even believe that you only added salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I don't know what happens when the onions get mixed in and chopped in. It's just so good. So this is my bun. I'm going to toast it on both sides just like this. And pretty much this is what the meat looks like right here. So good. And then you just want to mix it up, and you want to break up the onion as well. And then I'm going to add my cheese on top, cheddar cheese. And then now we're just going to put the sandwich together. So the sandwich is pretty much easy to assemble. The classics is just mayo and ketchup, and you want to mix it in just like this. Maybe I want a little OD with the mayo and ketchup, but I like my sandwich to be nice and moisturized. Then you want to add your meat mixture, y'all. Look at those onions. I swear it tasted just like a regular chopped cheese I would get in the deli. And I'm obsessed. But you want to add your shredded lettuce and then your tomatoes. And now I'm going to attempt to close it. I always go through this. I don't know why I do this to myself, but whatever. I didn't make it work. Chop it right down the middle just like this, and that's it, you guys. It's so easy to make. It's not a lot of ingredients, and it's just really good, a really good sandwich. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being patient, and I will catch you on my next video. Make sure you see my community tabs for any updates. And I can't wait to catch up with you guys. I might be live this Sunday, so make sure you guys tune in. And I love you guys so much. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.